Now that we have learned numbers up to 70, shall we move on to the verbs? Do you remember the verbs that we already discussed? We learned the conjugation for the ER verbs and other important verbs like être and avoir. Do you remember the verb voir? Voir means to see. So shall we write this conjugation once again just to refresh our memory? So for je, what was the conjugation of voir? For je, it was je vois. For tu, it was tu vois. For il, it was il voit. For elle, it was elle voit. Do you remember the conjugation of voir for nous? Yes, it was nous voyons. Nous voyons. For vous, it was vous voyez. For il, it was il voit. And for elle also, it was elle voit. I hope you remember this conjugation. We had already discussed this conjugation. Voir is the verb in the infinitive form. It means to see. So for je, it is je vois. It means I see. For tu, it is tu vois. It means you see. For il, it is il voit, which means he sees. For elle, it is elle voit, she sees. For nous, it is nous voyons, which means we see. For vous, it is vous voyez, you see. And for il, it is il voit. For elle, it is elle voit. Both mean they see. So now we are going to see another verb which is similar to the voir verb. This verb is devoir. Devoir. It means must. So you see, it is similar to the verb voir, devoir. So shall we learn the conjugation? Okay, so the verb is devoir. It means must. So for je it is je dois. Je dois. For tu, it is tu dois. Je dois means I must. Tu dois, it means you must. For il, it is doit. You must note the spelling here. Here it is T and here the ending is S. Il doit. For elle, it is elle doit. It means she must. So je dois, it means I must. Tu dois, you must. Il doit means he must. And elle doit is she must. Now for nous it is devons. Devons. For vous, it is devez. Nous devons. We must. For vous, it is vous devez. You must. For il, it is ils doivent. It means they must. Ils doivent. For elle, it is elles doivent. They must. So this is the conjugation for this verb devoir. Devoir means must. So devoir. It is similar to the verb voir. Do you remember what voir means? It means to see. So the conjugation is as follows. Je dois, which means I must. Je dois, I must. Tu dois means you must. Il doit means he must. Elle doit means she must. Nous devons. Nous devons. It means we must. Vous devez. For vous it is vous devez. You must. For ils it is ils doivent. Means they must. Elles doivent. That also means they must. So kindly note down the conjugation for this verb devoir, which means must. Once again I will tell you the conjugation. It is je dois, tu dois, il doit, elle doit, nous devons, vous devez, ils doivent, elles doivent. So I hope you understood the conjugation for this verb.